Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine. In our previous class we have done multiplication. I have given you some SW. Hope you have completed it. Today we will do other multiplications. In our previous class we have done multiplication number 2. Today we will do multiplication 3. Question number 3 is Rohim wants to buy 3 copies of book on fairy tale whose price is 30 taka each. How many taka will he pay? The question have said Rohim wants to buy 3 copies of book on fairy tale. মানে হচ্ছে রহিম কি করতে চায় 3 কপি রূপকথার বই কিনতে চায় যার প্রত্যেকটার দাম হচ্ছে কত টাকা 30 টাকা তাহলে কয় কপি বই কিনতে চায় হাউ মেনি কপিজ হি ওয়ান্ট টু বাই 3 কপিজ বুক and the price of each copy is 30 টাকা প্রত্যেক কপির দাম কত প্রত্যেক কপির দাম হচ্ছে 30 টাকা how much টাকা will he pay তো our next question is there are 2 lozenges in a packet. How many lozenges are there in 8 packets? In one packet how many lozenges? In one packet there are 2 lozenges মানে এক প্যাকেটে কয়টা লজেন্স এক প্যাকেটে দুইটা লজেন্স How many lozenges are there in 8 packets? How many lozenges are in packet? What should we will do? We will do multiplication. Our page 60, go page 63. Page 63 here. There are some questions. Question number 3 is there are 8 benches in a classroom. How many benches in a classroom? 10 benches. Sorry, there are 10 benches in a classroom. 5 people can sit on each bench. প্রত্যেকটা বেঞ্চে কতজন বসতে পারে how many pupils can sit in one bench তাহলে 5 pupil মানে 5 জন ছাত্র একটা বেঞ্চে বসতে পারে how many pupils can sit in total in the classroom ওই শ্রেণীকক্ষে কতজন ছাত্র ছাত্রী কি করতে পারবে বসতে পারবে বা ক্লাস করতে পারবে ফাদার ওয়ার্কস 4 hours daily ফাদার ওয়ার্কস 4 hours daily তাহলে কত ঘন্টা হাঁটে বাবা প্রতিদিন 4 ঘন্টা হাঁটে হাউ মেনি আওয়ার্স ডাজ হি ওয়াক ইন 7 days তার মানে 7 দিনে সে কত ঘন্টা হাঁটবে Now we will do this sum. I have write this sum for you in my notebook. So dear students, let's start doing this sum. Our first sum is Rohim wants to buy 3 copies of books on fairy tales whose price is 30 taka each. How many taka will he pay? So at first we'll write price of one copy fairy tale book is how many 30 taka how many books Rohim want to buy Rohim want to buy 3 copies of books so what should we do we will do multiplication the price of 3 copies fairy tale book is what 30 into 3 টাকা। Will do rough hair, rough 30 into 3, the 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 threes are 9. How many টাকা? 90 টাকা. How much টাকা will he pay? Answer: he will pay 90 টাকা. Our second question is, there are 2 lozenges in one packet. How many lozenges there are in 8 packets? How many lozenges in one packet? 2 lozenges. So we write in this way: in one packet, sorry, SOLU, in one packet there are how many lozenges? There are 2 lozenges. In 8 packets there are 8 into 2 lozenges, means 16 lozenges. Answer is 16 lozenges. Our next question is, there are 10 benches in a classroom. How many benches? There are 10 benches in classroom. 5 pupils can sit. How many pupils can sit in one bench? 5 pupils can sit in one bench. How many pupils can sit in total in the classroom? So we will do this math in this way. At first we will write in one bench in one bench 5 pupils can sit. How many bench in the classroom? 10 bench. In 10 benches, how many students can sit, or how many people can sit? The number will increase. So we have to do multiplication. Graph is here. 10 into 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5. 50 pupils can sit. 50 pupils can sit. So our answer is in total 50 pupils can sit. Our next question is, father works 4 hours daily. How many hours does he work in 7 days? Father works how many hours daily? father works 4 hours. So we can write in one day father works 4 hours. In one day father works 4 hours. In 7 days father work how many hours? 7 into 4 hours.